Hola. Now I'm going to teach you the pronouns and the possessives. In English you say I, you, he, she, it, we, you, and they. In Spanish we say yo for I, yo, tú for you, tú, él for he, él, ella for she, ella, nosotros, we, nosotros, vosotros, you in plural, vosotros, or they, we say ellos. For the possessives, in English you have my, your, his, her, our, your, and their. In Spanish we say mi for my, me. We say tú for your, tú. We say su for his or her, su. Nuestro or nuestra, depending if it's female or male, for our. If it's a combination of both, we always use male, nuestro. For your, vuestro or vuestra, depending if it's male or female. But again, if it's a combination, we always use male, vuestro. And su, for their, su. As you can see, su is the same for his, her, and their. In Spanish, we don't use it, because as I said before, in the previous lessons, all our objects has male or female gender. Let's see some examples. Yo voy a la fiesta. I go to the party. Yo, I. Yo means I. Voy means go. To the party, a la fiesta. Fiesta, party. It's female, so we use la. And to is a in Spanish. Yo voy a la fiesta. I go to the party. Nosotros somos muy afortunados. We are very lucky. Nosotros. We. Nosotros. Somos means are. Muy means very. Afortunados means lucky. We are very lucky. Nosotros somos muy afortunados. Tu novia es muy guapa. Your girlfriend is very pretty. Tú, your, tú. Tu novia es muy guapa. Novia means girlfriend. Es means is. Muy, very, and pretty, guapa. Tu novia es muy guapa. Su coche es muy caro. His car is very expensive. Su, his, su. Coche means car. Es means is. Muy, very, and caro, expensive. As I said before, you don't have a contest here. So, su could mean his, her, and their. You will know this depending on the context. Su coche es muy caro. Su coche es muy caro.